Hello and welcome to Howie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and flavorful dinner. Baked tilapia over cilantro lime rice. Before we get started, you want to get your oven preheating to 425 degrees. And you want to take a large saucepan and you want to add 1 cup chicken broth and 1 cup of water. Season with a little bit of salt and pepper, a tablespoon of butter, and 1 cup of basmati rice. And we're gonna get that heating up over high heat and we'll bring it to a simmer, and then we're gonna cook it according to the rice directions. So now we're gonna take our tilapia, rinsed and patted dry, and we're gonna season that with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and we're going to take the juice and the zest of a half a lime, and we're going to mix this together, and we'll set this aside. Now we're going to take a half cup of Panko breadcrumbs, and we're going to mix in a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. We're going to take 2 cloves of minced garlic and a couple tablespoons of fresh chopped Italian parsley, and we're going to mix that together really well. Now we're going to take our mayonnaise and lime mixture and we're going to spread that over the top of our tilapia here. And then let's take our breadcrumb mixture and we're going to spread that out on a dish here. And we're going to take our tilapia and we'll press it down into the breadcrumb mix. You want to make sure you get it pressed in really well so it gets coated evenly. And now we'll put that over a sheet pan on a wire rack. Allows the heat to radiate all the way around, cook it thoroughly. Now that our oven's heated up to 425, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. We're gonna let this cook for about 12 to 15 minutes and we should be all done. So now that our rice is done, I'm gonna add this to a bowl here. And we're going to mix in the zest of 1 lime, about a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro, the juice of a half a lime. You can use up to a full lime depending on your taste, and let's get that mixed thoroughly together. Okay, our tilapia is all done. I've had this cooking a full 15 minutes. Get this out of the oven here, and they look delicious. Let's go ahead and get these plated. I'll lay down just a little bit of rice here. I'll lay this right over the top. Tonight we're serving this with a little bit of roasted asparagus, and my wife made a kale salad. There you go. Baked tilapia with a panko Parmesan crust over cilantro lime rice. Enjoy.